LinkedIn is one of the best destinations to connect with the job candidate that you're looking for, both active and passive. Now that you already have a job post, there are quite a few ways to promote your job post on LinkedIn. One of the easiest and free ways to promote your job is to share it. It can be on a blog post, a social media platform, or even on LinkedIn. All you just need to do is to get that link. To do that, on your home page, click the job suitcase icon on top. Then, click the Manage Job Post link on the next page. Make sure that you're on the Open Jobs tab. You should see your active job posting. Click the three dots on the right and select Share in a Post on the drop-down. It will automatically create a feed for you. Just enter a catchy phrase and some hashtags, then click the Post button. You're all set. You can also share this feed in a group. You can limit yourself on LinkedIn. You can also share the post on any social media platform or even on your blog. So back to your active job posting, click the three dots on the right and select Copy Link on the drop-down. You should then see a notification at the bottom left indicating that you already have copied the link. Go to any social media platform and feel free to post your link. Do you need more visibility? Or is your job post a crucial role for a company? You can also make your job post a sponsored one. You bid for top placement in LinkedIn's personalized job placements. This premium placement gets your high priority jobs noticed by the right candidates. To do that, go to the posted job page, select an active job, and click the Promote Job link just below the job summary. You should see a recommended daily budget. This is for you to beat your competitors looking for the same candidate and to stay on top of the list. You can edit your daily budget by clicking the pen icon and adjust the slider. After that, just click Promote Job. The next page is where you'll enter your payment details. Pay for it and you're set. So this is how a sponsored job post should look like. So there you have it. Those are the ways you can promote your job on LinkedIn. Do you like this content? If you do, don't forget to like this video. Click the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you'll get notified on our next video.